Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about interpretation. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I will put secant of s squared, secant of s squared. Next we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we got like this. This one we change for u. This one we change for u. This one we change for the u. So this one multiply by number 1 and u square in here. Now we have the formula in here. So we put number 8 go in here. So 8 plus 1 we have number 9. The next one that is 11. About u that is about tan s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.